Dear students, this expression when we will use the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor. So to calculate the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor, we will use epsilon naught A by D. Epsilon naught is the permittivity of the free space or vacuum. A is the area of the each plate. D is the separation between the two plates. So here what are the factors of the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor? Means what you write? This is an important question. Factors of parallel plate means factors of capacitance of parallel plate capacitor. So this is also important question. What are the factors? So capacitance of parallel plate capacitor depends on what is the first one? Area of metallic plates separation between the two plates or separation between metallic plates. Next dielectric medium. Between the same metallic plates. So these are the three important factors. We have to remember this. So here dielectric medium in the sense any medium which is filled between the two metallic plates of the capacitor. Here we will discuss some important points under note. The first point, if this is the parallel plate capacitor, this one positive, one negative, so this separation between them, it is a D and this area is A. Now between these two metallic plates, it is completely filled with air. So completely filled with air means what is the capacitance? C is equal to epsilon naught A by D. What is epsilon naught here? Permittivity of a free space. Free space here means that is a air, or we can write vacuum also, or free space also. Three R's will be same. So in this case, totally filled with air, a vacuum or free space, we can use the capacitance formula epsilon naught A by D. Suppose this capacitor now we'll see, if the capacitor, second note, if the capacitor is completely filled with dielectric constant K, then its capacitance is, I will write C dash. C dash is equal to epsilon A by D. Here what is this epsilon? In first chapter we have discussed in Coulomb's law, if the medium between the two charges is air or free space or vacuum, there we have used 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. If other than the air, vacuum or free space, so instead of epsilon naught, what we'll use? That is a epsilon. What is a epsilon here? permittivity of the medium, anything other than air or vacuum or free space. So here also we use the new word, that is a dielectric. Here dielectric is nothing but insulating medium other than the air, vacuum or free space. So dielectric means an insulating medium, that is, remember. So that medium relative permittivity, their relative permittivity of the medium, we have used this symbol epsilon r. Epsilon r is the relative permittivity of the medium. There only I told this one is also known as a dielectric constant, that is a K. So either K or epsilon or both, it will be same, that is epsilon r is the relative permittivity of the medium, or we can also write as a K. K means here dielectric constant. So both will be the same. Instead of epsilon r, here in this chapter we will use K. K is the permittivity, relative permittivity of the medium, or dielectric constant of the medium, we can call it as. So here epsilon is permittivity of the medium, and here we know that relative permittivity, that is nothing but K. What is this formula? It is the ratio of permittivity of the medium to the permittivity of the free space. From this we can write epsilon is equal to epsilon naught into K. So we can write epsilon naught into K A by D. So C dash is equal to, what is this? Total epsilon naught A by D. That is a capacitance of the capacitor when total medium it is filled with the air. So that is in note 1 we have seen, that is denoted by C. So we can write K into C. Means how many times the capacitance is increased? K times. Means if instead of air or vacuum, if you filled with any other medium, the other medium of the dielectric constant, that is a K, then how many times the capacitance it is increasing, that is a K times. So that is also important. So if you fill any medium apart from that air, vacuum or free space, then capacitance will be increase, that is a K times it will be increased. When this equation will be used, this space totally filled with this medium totally filled with dielectric medium, totally